welcome to the Crypto Angel channel. I have changed a few things since I last posted my videos. I added a watermark, so if you guys want to join the trading group, link to join is right there. If you click the watermark, it'll take you to my YouTube channel. This is called HIPPO coin. I looked it up. There's not many videos about it on YouTube recently, at least. Market cap's only 17.5 million. There was a lot of manipulation, but I have been kind of trading on and off. The moves have been completely crazy up until like a day or two ago. On Sunday, it was absolutely insane. So I just want to look and see if we can digest any of this price action. Like, if we look at the 4-hour time frame and under, I think anything above the 4-hour is unnecessary based on how crazy it's been. But the 4-hour time frame right now, you can see on the RSI, it's probably going to make a lower high. The 3-hour is very overextended, and at this point, it's actually curving down on the stock RSI. The 2-hour, same situation. And if you look at the 1-hour, maybe trying to get oversold, make a higher low, but nothing beautiful. You look at the half-hour time frame, you got oversold. You're trying to get the bounce, but it's like a lackluster bounce. I need to see this get, make a new high above 18. Not a new high, but just get above 18, and then that would start to curve the stock RSI up a little bit more. So to me, short-term looks bearish, and this is usually a bear flag. I actually do think we're going to get a move above 18 here based on these time frames and based on the moving averages. It's likely we do, but this is probably really manipulated, and I would, the 4-hour time frame suggests that probably, maybe not tonight, maybe tonight we go sideways or get a small bounce to the upside. That's my prediction. I think based on the 4-hour time frame, though, it's likely we get another move to the downside and make a lower low sometime tomorrow, which is Wednesday or Thursday. That's what I'm predicting. But I guess if you do look at the 6-hour, that's still very oversold. The 8-hour is very oversold. The 12 hours just got oversold for a lower low, though. So to me, it just doesn't look fantastic. I believe this is all-time lows, at least since it was on major exchanges like Weeks, Binance. It is on Binance as well. So I don't know what's going to happen with it. The 4-hour time frame suggests we go lower. There's really no support to the downside, so we're in price discovery to the downside. That's not a good thing. Now, if I go look at this on DEX tools, I'm sure there's price action to the downside. But overall, right now, I guess you would have a weekly, or not weekly, but you'd have a nice support at 15.5. If you can't hold 15.5, then obviously it's new lows. I will say, obviously, if you go down to 15.5, it's likely you're not getting double bottom and you make a new low. This is a meme coin, and honestly, bro, I'm sorry to say it, it's not worth $17 million. I don't think there's a use case to this, and it's probably worth very much under $1 million right now. It's not worth anything. So I'm currently in a short on this with a stop, I think, at 19. But overall, I'm not thrilled with this price action for long. So I would be bearish on this right now. Short term, tonight, I expect sideways price action, maybe a small bounce again. But overall, sometime later this week, I expect a new low to be put in. Below $15 million market cap would be the new low. So we'll see what happens. With that being said, guys, that's all I got. As always, guys, respect the trend. The trend is your friend until the end, baby. And I'll see you guys in the next one.